Hi everybody, Alex Deploy here from Expert Forex, and today Mary received an email with a free downloadable indicator, which is what I'm going to be sharing in this video. The indicator is called the Super Directional Indicator, and what it does is it gives you the direction of the market in a super way. Now, that direction is shown by the color of the lines shown on the chart there, and here you can see a really big upward trend and there a nice downward trend, and it is a very simple indicator. It's most probably based on the moving averages, but the way you use it is what makes this indicator so fantastic. So on your screen you can see I've actually got some multi-time frame versions of the indicator. So I've got it on the 4-hour, the 1-hour, the 30-minute and the 15-minute time frame. So you can see that the lower time frames, for those of you who are scalpers and things like that and want to get into transactions quickly, obviously what you would do is you'd use it on a low time frame like the 15-minute. You can see here's a great trend that recently happened, and you could have got into that trend as the indicator changed color very nicely and caught that whole trend right up to the point where it then changes color again. Now that doesn't work all that well. It works fairly well on the 30-minute, but then if you start looking at the 1-hour, look at where you would have got in right at the start of that candle. You still would have been in. So that's the advantage of the longer term. It keeps you in the trade a long time. So what a lot of traders do is they get in using the shorter time frames, and then they stay in using the longer time frames. And as you can see on the 4-hour, it hasn't even triggered a buy signal there. So that is why you should be using the short-term signals to get in and the longer-term signals to get out. They will keep you in the trend and in the trade. So this is a great little indicator for you to go and download. The other trick, I must say, is you must trade this in the volatile times of the day. So in other words, in the open of the UK market, in the open of the US market, that is where this will work the best. You don't want to go and trade it like over there when it's in the Asian market or something like that. You need some volatility to make this one work. So there's two tips. Use it in the short term, exit in the long term, and also use it in the volatile times of the market. Now, this indicator is so simple. I'm just going to show you the settings. There it is, the super directional indicator. Going to edit that. And here you can see you can change the colors of those lines. If you don't like blue and red like I've got it, you can change it, and you can change the thickness. If you think that is too thick, you can change it and make it smaller. Then you can change the sensitivity of the indicator, and I'll just show you that very quickly. I'm going to change this to 21. Okay, and you can see the sensitivity has now changed. Instead of giving a signal right there as we saw before, it's giving a late signal. So the answer is, again, in terms of trading, use sensitive signals to enter and less sensitive signals to exit. Now here you can see this is still keeping us in the trade, and it looks like the price wants to go up, so that's a good thing. So that's another strategy. That's a third strategy that I'm showing you now, is you can actually trade the same chart with two different kind of signals. So I can change this chart, for instance, to the 15-minute and have a sensitive settings like there for the entry, so it would have got me in a lot earlier, and the less sensitive settings to get you out. So this is now 21, and that is, let's go and see what setting that is. Is a 6 setting. So the smaller the setting, the more sensitive; the bigger the setting, the less sensitive. So there's another strategy. So you've got 3 strategies to use this very simple, straightforward indicator. Trade it when there's lots of volatility. Use short-term time frames to enter, use longer time frames to exit, or use sensitive settings to enter and less sensitive settings to exit. I hope I've given you some really good trading ideas how to use this very simple indicator. Oh, and before I go, you need to know where to download this indicator. So let me let you know about that. Okay, so here's where you find the indicator. It's on the Expert Forex forum. It's under Super Directional Indicator. And here is the post. You can go and have a look at the post. And there are the you can either download directly from the post or download the file outside the post. And the Super Directional Indicator is on a list of free indicators. There's about 60 free indicators. You'll see a whole lot of them. You just go down the list and you will find it. There it is, Super Directional Indicator. Just go and download it over there. And where do you find this on the forum? You just go, I'm just going to go backwards again in the forum. It's under Free Forex Tools, and I'm just going to go backwards again, and I'm now in the main category one, and all you do is you go down here and you say, oh, Free Forex Tools, there they are. You click on that and you'll find it. So I really hope that you enjoy this indicator. I hope you use it sensibly as I've indicated. Use the 3 strategies that I've suggested to you and go and download this indicator today. From me, Alex Deploy, cheerio.